Imagine you could skyrocket your energy, boost your mental clarity, and even improve your overall health, just by using the simple tweak to your breathing. What if we told you that the secret lies, not just in how much air you're breathing, but how you do it? Today, we're diving into a fascinating biohack that can enhance your blood oxygen levels and transform your life, plus the supplements that help increasing oxygen. Welcome to Levitas. Oxygen is the cornerstone of life. Every cell in your body relies on it to function. But oxygen doesn't work alone. Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is just as essential, though often overlooked. Oxygen fuels the production of energy by entering your cells and helping convert nutrients into ATP, the energy currency of the body. However, CO2 plays a critical role in ensuring that oxygen is efficiently delivered to your cells. It helps regulate the pH of your blood, maintains the balance of acids and bases, and triggers the release of oxygen from hemoglobin, a process known as the Bohr effect. In essence, oxygen and CO2 are the dynamic duo that keeps your body's engine running smoothly. Without enough oxygen, your cells can't produce energy efficiently, leading to fatigue and other health issues. Similarly, a lack of CO2 can disrupt this balance, affecting your overall health. Hyperventilation occurs when you breathe too quickly or deeply, leading to an excessive expulsion of CO2. This might happen during stress, anxiety, or even when exercising too intensely. While occasional hyperventilation might not be harmful, chronic hyperventilation, where you habitually breathe too much, can be detrimental. Chronic hyperventilation disrupts the balance of oxygen and CO2 in the blood, leading to a condition called respiratory alkalosis. This condition reduces blood flow to the brain, impairs oxygen delivery to tissues, and can cause symptoms like dizziness, shortness of breath, chest pain, and even panic attacks. Over time, chronic hyperventilation can contribute to a range of health problems, including chronic fatigue, high blood pressure, and anxiety disorders. A lack of CO2 in your body might sound like a good thing, especially since we often hear about the dangers of too much carbon dioxide. However, CO2 is vital for maintaining the right balance in your bloodstream. When CO2 levels drop too low, the body's pH shifts towards alkalosis, which can lead to a range of symptoms, including muscle cramps, tingling in the extremities, and even a sense of breathlessness despite breathing more rapidly. More importantly, low CO2 levels can cause your blood vessels to constrict, reducing blood flow to vital organs like the brain. This not only decreases the amount of oxygen that reaches your tissues but also impairs the body's ability to utilize oxygen effectively. It's essential to maintain a balanced level of CO2 to ensure that oxygen is delivered where it's needed most. One of the simplest and most effective ways to increase your blood oxygen levels is by practicing relaxed breathing. A technique known as 5-to-5 breathing, where you inhale for 5 seconds and then exhale for 5 seconds, can help you achieve this. When you slow down your breathing, you allow more time for oxygen to be absorbed into your bloodstream, and for CO2 to build up to optimal levels. This technique not only improves oxygenation but also promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and lowers heart rate. To practice, find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose for 5 seconds, feeling your abdomen rise as your lungs fill with air. Then, gently exhale for 5 seconds, letting your abdomen fall. Repeat this cycle for several minutes, and notice how your body starts to relax and your mind clears. Regular practice of 5-to-5 breathing can have profound effects on your overall health, improving your energy levels, mental clarity, and even your mood. Breathing through your nose might seem like a small detail, but it has a significant impact on your health, particularly as you age. Nose breathing is more efficient than mouth breathing for several reasons. First, the nose acts as a natural filter, trapping dust, allergens, and other particles that could irritate the lungs. Additionally, nasal passages are lined with tiny blood vessels that warm and humidify the air before it reaches your lungs, making it easier for your body to absorb oxygen. But the benefits don't stop there. Nose breathing also promotes the production of nitric oxide, a powerful molecule that helps relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and enhance oxygen delivery to your cells. By breathing through your nose, you can improve your body's oxygen utilization, boost your metabolism, and support healthy aging. It's a simple, yet powerful, biohack that can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Are nose strips and mouth tape good for sleeping? If you find it difficult to breathe through your nose at night, nose strips and mouth tape can be helpful tools. Nose strips work by gently lifting the nostrils, opening the nasal passages, and making it easier to breathe through your nose. Mouth tape, on the other hand, is used to keep your mouth closed while you sleep, encouraging nasal breathing. These tools can be particularly beneficial for people who suffer from snoring, sleep apnea, or chronic mouth breathing. By promoting nose breathing during sleep, you can improve your oxygen levels, reduce the risk of respiratory issues, and wake up feeling more refreshed. In addition to breathing techniques, there are several supplements and natural remedies that can help boost your blood oxygen levels. Iron is one of the most important nutrients for oxygen transport, as it is a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. If your iron levels are low, consider taking an iron supplement or increasing your intake of iron-rich foods like liver, lentils, and red meat. Another essential nutrient is vitamin B12, which supports red blood cell production and helps prevent anemia, a condition that can impair oxygen delivery. Foods rich in B12 include eggs, dairy products, and nutritional yeast, or you can take a B12 supplement if needed. Chlorophyll, the green pigment found in plants, is another natural remedy that helps improve oxygen levels. Chlorophyll has a similar structure to hemoglobin and can enhance the body's ability to produce red blood cells, thereby increasing oxygen transport. You can boost your chlorophyll intake by eating more leafy greens like spinach, kale, and parsley, or by taking a chlorophyll supplement. Additionally, herbs like ginkgo biloba and cordyceps have been shown to improve circulation and oxygen utilization. Ginkgo biloba works by dilating blood vessels and increasing blood flow to the brain, while cordyceps, a type of medicinal mushroom, has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to enhance lung function and endurance. Finally, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining proper blood oxygen levels. Dehydration can thicken your blood, making it harder for your heart to pump oxygenated blood throughout your body. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider adding a pinch of sea salt to your water to ensure you're getting enough electrolytes. In conclusion, chronic hyperventilation and low CO2 levels can severely impact your health by disrupting the oxygen to CO2 balance, leading to symptoms like dizziness, fatigue, and impaired oxygen delivery to tissues. Simple practices like relaxed breathing, specifically 5-5 breathing, can help restore this balance by enhancing oxygen absorption and CO2 levels. Breathing through your nose while sleeping, supported by tools like nose strips and mouth tape, further improves oxygen utilization, circulation, and overall health. Additionally, supplements like iron, vitamin B12, chlorophyll, ginkgo biloba, and proper hydration can naturally boost blood oxygen levels. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.